Hello students, welcome back to this Latex for Beginners course SCC PHY 101. Myself Sanatkumar Gogoi. This is our lecture number 6. So in this lecture we are going to learn two things. One is how to insert photo in Latex and how to get colored text. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I need to create a file with this .tex extension. Okay, I have created a file with this name lecture6.tex. Okay, and to insert the photo we need to get the photo first, and there are several ways to insert photo here, insert figure. And to do that, first we will place the photo inside that folder where our file is. Okay, or otherwise we can put this photo in other folders also. In that case we need to get the path of that file or of the photo. Okay, so I have this photo 1 and photo 2. Alright, and so I will insert. Okay. So first document class, as you remember, 11 point and article, I would say article, and begin document. Alright, and let me give a title here. Title, I would say photo in Latex. Alright, to insert photo, okay, I need to also say main title. To insert photo we need to use one package. For that package is use package graphics. So there is a X here. Okay, alright, and now I will say begin figure. That is the environment for inserting figure, and now I will say include graphics. Now there is something called scale, and here I need to say the name. So first one is photo 1. Okay, and some file extension was there, no need to put that. And I need to put some scale 0.3, let's say. Let's see what happens. Okay, alright, and I have the photo here. Alright, so I get the first photo, and I can change the size of the photo by saying 0.1 in the scale. See, now the photo is this much. And to put where the photo in the page, I can say top. For that I will say T, and then it will place it at the top. And if I say B, that means bottom, it will place it at the bottom. And if I say H, then that will place it here. Okay, so H is for okay, let me put a section here, and another section for top. Okay, for top, let me simply copy this thing and paste it here, T, and one section for bottom, and control V and B for bottom. See, that's how it is. Okay, and if I say this photo 2, then the other photo will come. Okay, and that files photo size is bigger, so 0.1 is giving me a little bit bigger photo, so I can adjust it 0.1. okay, 0.01, and let's see. See, now it is quite small now. So like this, by varying this option, we can actually increase the size of the photo. Now one of the let me get a page break here, page break. So this will break the page. So new page will be inserted. So one of the good way is to use instead of scale, I will say the width of the photo. Alright, so for that I will say photo width, and begin figure, include graphics. So instead of scale, I will say here width, and I set this width to 0.7 or 8 for the text width. So text width, and I want to insert this photo 2. So see, photo width, and this photo is inserted. Okay, where is the photo? Here, this one, and I will say here. I want the photo here. Okay, and can say 9. So it is now a little bit big, this one. Or I can say I want it to be exactly same as the text. So this is exactly the text. Okay, if I want to add caption, then I can say caption. This is a new photo that I inserted. See, this is a photo with this caption. Alright. Okay. So again, let me put a page. Okay, let me comment this out. Okay. So if you remember how to comment, and only this photo is there now. Alright. This photo is there. Okay. Now let's say I want to add two photos side by side. One is on this side, one is on that side. So how do I do that? For that, we can say new. Let me make a new section, or is in a subsection. Photo side by side. For that, I will first say begin figure. Okay, and inside that I need to say begin subfigure. So for that I will use a tab for convenience. If you do not want to use, you can use it without giving this tab. This is just for convenience, so that I would know which environment is inside which environment. So begin, I will say subfigure, Okay, and I need to end this in the sub figure. Alright, so I will need two environment of this sort because I want to add two figures. Alright, and on top of that I need to add a package, use package called caption. Alright, so here I will include /include graphics, and instead of scale I will use width, width equal to 0.4/text width. I want to add photo 1. Okay, and I want to add the same figure on the other side also, and so I will add another tab here so that I would know this include graphics is inside this environment. Alright, and compile. I need to add one more package, I think, so use package sub caption. B. Okay, maybe I do not need to say that. I will simply specify the width of this sub figure, and it is text width, and I will say the same thing for this environment also, and let me run. Okay, now it is running. And here I will say 0.8, maybe 0.8. Nice. So here I get two figures on side by side. Alright, and I can add a caption here. Caption. Okay, figure on left, and then caption, figure on right. Okay, so see, here is a caption for individual figures, and I can add a overall caption describing the two images. Alright, see, now there is one caption, extra caption is there, that is in middle of this. Now if you look at closely, this entire figure is left aligned. Alright, so same for this also, so I can put this figure in center. So for that I will say begin center, and in center I do not want here, I want this at the end of this caption. Okay, now it is at the center. And I should put a tab here, and the tab here, one more tab, and so that it looks nice and clear which one is inside which one. Okay, alright. Okay, so I can give a label to this figure. I will say label, so figure 1, and I can refer to it later in figure 1. We have inserted two figures side by side. see, I will run it again, and it is saying figure 2. In figure 2 we have inserted 2 figures side by side. So figure 2 is which one? This one. This one is figure 2. Okay. So there are other things also to do with this figure environment, which you will learn later. Alright. So now let's learn text coloring. Section text color. Okay, for that we need to add a package here. Use package X color. Alright, and I will say this is a sorry so I would say this is a colored text in red. Alright, and I need to specify the color. Color is red, and I will put a curly bracket here and the curly bracket here. Okay, if I run this, see, now it's saying this is a color text in red. So what is the use of this curly bracket? So if I put this here, then up to that point colored text will be colored. Okay, and there are bunch of a lot of colors that you can use, and for this you can look up this document at overly.com, and here you can see use this package X color with this option, and you can see there are like 151 colors that you can use. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, and we will meet it at the next class.